In this video, I'm going to show you how to dim text after animation in PowerPoint, so your slides look cleaner, more professional, and easier to follow during presentations. This is especially useful when you want text or bullet points to appear, then fade into the background so the next point stands out clearly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and select the text box or bullet points that you want to animate. You can click directly on the text or drag to highlight the specific lines you want to control. Once your text is selected, go up to the Animations tab on the ribbon. This is where all the motion and the visual effects for your slide are controlled. Next, choose an animation effect for the text. A simple option like Appear or Fade works best if you want a clean and professional look. After selecting the animation, PowerPoint will apply it to the text on the slide. Now click on the animation pane. The animation pane is important because it gives you more control over the timing and the behavior of each effect. On the right side, you'll see your animation listed there. Find the animation you just applied, then click the small drop-down arrow next to it. From the menu that appears, select Effect Options. This is where you can customize what happens after the animation finishes. In the Effect Options window, look for the setting called After Animation. Under that section, choose Dim if you want the text to become slightly muted after it appears. If you prefer, you can also pick a custom color like light gray, which works really well for keeping the slide readable without drawing too much attention to the previous point. Once you've selected your after animation style, click OK to save the changes. Now play the slideshow and test the effect. You should see the text appear first and then become dim after the animation finishes. That's exactly what you want when you're building step-by-step presentations, training decks, or lecture slides, because it helps guide your audience's attention from one point to the next. If the effect doesn't look quite right, you can always go back into the animation pane and adjust the settings until it matches the style you want. And that's how to dim text after animation in PowerPoint. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how polished and organized your presentation feels. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.